Notice we're getting a brownie face and a distance of 60, 59. If I put my hand closer to the proximity sensor, it gives a distance of 7, 8, and that is because my hand is close to the ultrasonic sensor. That raises the gate. Gate goes down if the distance is greater. Gate goes up when I put my hand close to it. Several things I'm going to talk about in this video. You might want to play this back several times because there's a lot to cover here. One is, where do we get these parts and what parts do we need in order to motorize our bricks? We're looking at Lego Technic parts. These are not bricks parts. They're Lego Technic. They have this X connection, same thing with wheels, that fits on this axle, an X axle, not only with the wheel motor, but also with the servo motor. Fits on gears also. We need that in order to motorize our parts. Now, we also need a way to get these parts from one plane to another so that they can connect and stand up and we can set our motors on them. Where do you get these parts? By the way, here's the code that I'm using. I'll put a link to this code in the description of the video. Here is a source for some of the parts. Notice that the wheel has this X hub. Notice that this beam has an X hub. That's important to know that when you buy parts. This is $23.38 for a lot of parts, including free shipping. This is on eBay. Here is the part I'm talking about that you need for going in different dimensions in your construction to mount motors and other things on it. I see this person has them for $1.70 a piece if you buy 10. I bought 50 of them off AliExpress, a lot cheaper than that, but this is on eBay. There's the code. Here is World of Modules talking about all our different modules in the sensor kit. And here is the specific instructions. This is a teaching page that teaches about this proximity sensor. It sends out a ping, records an echo back, measures the time lapse between them, calculates the distance in either inches or centimeters. You can set that in your code so you know which you're using. Here is what a ping ultrasonic sensor is if you want to really go into it and find out how they work. This tells all about it. You're learning about electronics. Lots of information. Parallax, ping, ultrasonic distance sensor. If I put my hand close to the sensor, the gate will go up. It measures 6 centimeters. My code says if it's less than 10, then raise the gate. Less than 10 or equal to 10. We're adding motors to our bricks sets. This one is Minecraft, the End Arena. So there will be more about all this.